friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower square pattern. You can make summer blankets, cushion cover, table mats, table cover, bed cover out of this pattern. This pattern is really very easy to make, and the techniques that I have applied in making this project are chains, single crochet, double crochet and double treble crochet. So it is a very good tutorial for those who want to learn all these basic stitches. Use a yarn of this color and a hook of 2.5 mm. So at first we are going to begin with slip knot. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, 2, 3 for chain space. For the second side of the square, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3 for chain space, yarn over. For the third side of the square, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, 2, 3 for chain space. Into the same chain space of 5 for the fourth side of the square, double crochet 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 2, 3 for chain space. Now we have to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. On the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 2, on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 3, into the chain space of 3, slip stitch 4. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which counts as a double treble crochet. Now chain 1, 2, 3 for picot. Join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now wrap the yarn thrice on the hook, insert the hook into the chain space of 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is double treble crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now wrap the yarn thrice on the hook into the same chain space of 3, double treble crochet, third, chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. We have to do 5 more double trebles with picots into the same chain space of 3. So complete making 5 more double trebles and we will meet again when this petal would be completed. When these 8 trebles are complete, we have to do chain 1, 2. Now into this chain space of 3 we have to do 8 trebles for the next petal of the flower with a picot on the top of the each stitch. Then we have completed doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double trebles. We have to do 7th double treble. So insert the hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 1. Now we have to join this motif to the main part. So insert the hook on the top of this picot. 1, 2, second one, pull through 2, chain 1. Now we have to join the stitches on the top of 7th double treble with slip stitch. Now 8th double treble. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 1. Now on the top of this 8th double treble into this picot, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Now we have to do chain 1, and now we have to join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Chain 2. Into the next chain space of 3, double treble 1, chain 1, into the next petal, 4 stitch, we have to join the stitches with slip stitch, chain 1, now we have to join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch, double treble 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. For the picot, chain 1, join the stitches into this picot with slip stitch. Now you can see these parts are now joined. Chain 1, we have to join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. When 5 trebles are complete, we have to do 6th treble. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 1, 2, 3. We have to join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to do 7th double treble. Chain 1. Now we have to join this motif to this pattern. So we have to skip these 4 stitches and we have to join the stitches, last 2 stitches of this petal with slip stitch. So this is how we have joined this motif to this main part. Chain 1. Now we have to join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Double treble 8th. Chain 1. Now into the last stitch of this petal, pull through 2. Chain 1, to be joined on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now you can see this pattern is joined to this and this motif to make a beautiful mat. Now we have to do chain 1, 2. Into the last chain space of 1 of this motif, we have to do double treble 1, chain 1. We have to join these stitches into the first stitch of the next petal with slip stitch, chain 1, to be joined on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now double treble 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 1, to be joined into the second picot with slip stitch, chain 1, to be joined on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to do 6 more trebles to complete this petal. So complete doing 6 more trebles and we will meet again when this mat would be completed. When this petal is complete, we have to do chain 1, 2. Now we have to join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now this square mat is complete. If you want to make bigger projects like bed throw, table runner, cushion cover and more. Thank you so much.